The future of computing is here, and it's called Apple Vision Pro. This revolutionary headset pushes the boundaries of mixed reality, offering an experience unlike anything you've ever seen. But what exactly makes it so special? Let's dive into the 7 features that will blow your mind. Stunning visuals. Forget grainy pixels and screen or effect. Vision Pro boasts micro OLED displays with a staggering 4K resolution per eye. It's like having a personal cinema strapped to your face. Unmatched processing power. Powering this immersive experience is the dual-chip powerhouse. The M2 chip and the custom R1 chip combination tackles demanding tasks with ease. Natural and intuitive interactions. Forget clunky controllers. Vision Pro utilizes intuitive hand tracking and eye tracking, allowing you to interact with the digital world as naturally as you do with the physical one. Simply point, grab, and move. It's that easy. A world of possibilities. Vision Pro isn't just for entertainment. It opens doors to endless possibilities. Imagine attending virtual meetings in realistic environments, collaborating on 3D designs in real time. Seamless FaceTime reimagined. FaceTime takes on a whole new meaning with Vision Pro. See loved ones in lifelike detail with realistic avatars that capture your expressions and emotions. It's the closest thing to being there in person. Unmatched comfort and design. Apple is known for its focus on design, and Vision Pro is no exception. The lightweight and breathable materials ensure extended use without discomfort. The light seal conforms to your face, eliminating light leakage for a truly immersive experience. A glimpse into the future. Vision Pro is more than just a headset. It's a glimpse into the future of computing. With its groundbreaking features and ever-expanding ecosystem, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and connect. Which feature of Apple Vision Pro did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech fun.